Imagine the tantalizing aroma of wood-fired pizza wafting through your backyard, the crisp crunch of a perfectly charred Neapolitan crust, and the joy of hosting a pizza party that leaves everyone raving. This Bighorn Outdoors Pizza Oven's wood pellet 12-inch pizza oven delivers all this and more, transforming your outdoor cooking game with its portable stainless steel design and lightning-fast cooking capabilities. Whether you're a pizza enthusiast or a casual cook, this compact powerhouse is your key to restaurant-quality results at home. Let's dive into why this portable stainless steel pizza grill is a must-have for your next gathering. Why choose the Bighorn Outdoors 12-inch pizza oven? Outdoor cooking can be a hassle. Bulky equipment, uneven cooking, and long prep times often steal the fun. The Bighorn Outdoors pizza oven solves these problems with its ultra-portable design, quick preheating, and ability to churn out Neapolitan-style pizza in just 90 seconds. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this oven is built to last, easy to clean, and safe for cooking a variety of dishes beyond pizza, from sizzling steaks to roasted veggies. Weighing only 25 pounds, it's perfect for backyard barbecues, camping trips, or impromptu pizza parties. Here's why this wood pellet pizza oven stands out. Lightning-fast cooking, reaches temperatures of 570 to 660 degrees, 350 degrees Celsius. In 18 to 20 minutes, baking a 12-inch pizza in under 90 seconds for that authentic wood-fired flavor. Portable and lightweight. At just 25 pounds with foldable legs, it's easy to transport and store, making it ideal for outdoor adventures or small spaces. Premium stainless steel build. Durable, rust-resistant, and safe for cooking all types of food, ensuring years of reliable use. Versatile cooking options, not just for pizza, roast steaks, fish, lamb chops, burgers, salmon, or vegetables, with a smoky, wood-fired taste. Effortless assembly and cleaning. Minimal assembly without tools and a design that comes apart quickly for hassle-free maintenance. Key features that make it a game-changer. Let's break down what makes this portable stainless steel pizza grill a standout. High heat performance, achieves up to 660 degrees Fahrenheit for authentic Neapolitan pizza with a crispy, charred crust in under 2 minutes. Wood pellet fuel, infuses food with a rich, smoky flavor using all-natural hardwood pellets, elevating every dish. Compact and portable, foldable legs and a 25-pound weight make it easy to carry to campsites, tailgates, or backyard parties. Durable construction. High-quality stainless steel ensures longevity and safety, even with frequent outdoor use. User-friendly design, simple preheating and cooking process. Just preheat, slide in your pizza, and rotate for even cooking.
Who is this pizza oven for? The Bighorn Outdoors 12-inch pizza oven is perfect for pizza enthusiasts, craving authentic Neapolitan-style pizza with a wood-fired taste. This oven delivers. Outdoor cooking lovers, ideal for backyard barbecues, camping, or tailgating with friends and family. Budget-conscious buyers. At a fraction of the cost of high-end pizza ovens, it offers exceptional value without compromising quality. Space-savvy cooks. Its compact size and easy storage make it great for small patios or apartments. Tips for getting the most out of your pizza oven. To maximize your experience with this wood pellet pizza oven, here are some pro tips. Use an infrared thermometer. While not included, it ensures precise temperature readings for perfect results. Keep pellets dry. Store pellets in an airtight container to prevent moisture absorption, which can affect burn quality. Rotate often. Turn your pizza every 15 to 20 seconds for even cooking and a uniformly charred crust. Go light on toppings for Neapolitan-style pizza. Less is more. Use minimal sauce and toppings to avoid soggy dough. Experiment beyond pizza. Try roasting meats, fish, or veggies for a smoky, restaurant-quality flavor. Why it's worth the investment? Priced affordably, the Bighorn Outdoors pizza oven offers unbeatable value for its performance. Compared to pricier competitors, it delivers similar high heat capabilities and portability at a fraction of the cost. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the wood pellet fuel adds an authentic smoky flavor that gas or electric ovens can't match. Whether you're hosting a silver portable party or enjoying a quiet night in, this oven elevates every meal. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.